makeup today, and I'll show you the tutorial how I do basic my makeup. So first of all, I'll apply this Glow and Lovely BB cream. I use it as a primer on my face. You can use it as a normal cream, but I use it as a foundation. Like I use this as a primer and foundation. So there is no need to use different products for primer and foundation. I use it as a, you can see here, right? So just put it drops on your cheeks, on your pigment area, here, all over your face, here, dots on your nose, on your cheeks, and that's it, right? Now you can blend it with your hand and you can blend it with the brush. I'll blend it in my brush. So do it on the upward like this, right? Whenever you're doing cheeks, do it like this. On the right and the left, upward. Yeah, we're doing it right. I'll use Lakme facial powder. This is, I'll apply it on my cheeks. You can use this brush also. So now I'll be using a lipstick. This is a MAC lipstick. I bought it for like 2K, and yeah, just this is brown shade. Tap. Lipstick I apply is this Rene. I bought it online. After applying lipstick, I applied this Rene lip. This is gloss lipstick. This gives shines to your lips. I bought it from Myntra online. This is just like 280. So you can look at the gloss at your lip. This gives shines. I like it very much. See the shine on the lips, right? I like it so much. You can apply it in daily use on your lips without lipstick also. That I'll apply the baby tint. I bought it through Meesho, and this is just like 97 rupees. I'll give you the link. Right? 2 or 3 drops. You can apply it on your lips also, but I have not tried it. Yeah, just 2 or 3 drops, but I'll use my hands. You can use your toothpick and just move it on the outward direction. Makeup out. Very much like this pink shade on my cheeks. Like look at the glow it gives it to your cheeks, red cherry cheeks. Oh, you have the red cherry. Like I have big eyes, so I don't apply kajal. So I just apply some mascara on it. You can apply kajal also. Yeah, but what I do, I have like big eyebrows. I just black eyebrows, so I just apply mascara on my eyebrows. So you can see the difference on my right and my left eyebrow. You see this gives shines to your eyebrows. You can do it with the pencil. Pencils also come for, but I use this mascara. I like it. Yeah. See how beautiful. This is a basic party makeup I do. Open your hairs and go. See, you look so. Yeah. See you in another video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. My name is Yada Rawat. Stay connected. Stay tuned.